Mastering the psychology of trading is an integral aspect of achieving sustained success in the financial markets. Fear and greed, two very powerful emotions, often drive decision-making and can lead to impulsive actions that undermine a trader's strategy. Overcoming fear involves cultivating a disciplined mindset and developing the ability to make rational decisions under pressure. Trusting a proven, robust trading strategy can help alleviate the feeling of fear, while other methods such as mindfulness and stress management techniques can help traders stay focused and emotionally resilient, helping them navigate the inevitable ups and downs of the market with a clear head. Greed, on the other hand, can manifest in overconfidence and excessive risk-taking. The key to overcoming this emotion lies in setting realistic goals, adhering to a well-defined trading plan, and practicing self-control. Traders are encouraged to view each trade objectively, focusing on long-term success rather than immediate gains. Embracing a patient and disciplined approach allows traders to resist the allure of quick profits and avoid the pitfalls associated with unchecked greed. Moreover, ongoing education and self-reflection are vital components of mastering the psychology of trading. Understanding one's own behavioral patterns and learning from both successes and failures all contribute to personal growth as a trader. If you like this and want access to the tools, check out Ninjacators Fast Track with the link below.